Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about Fulbright Degree Program, the United States Educational Foundation in Pakistan. Here we can see that promoting mutual understanding through exchanges. Here we can see that the Fulbright Master's PhD program funds graduate study in United States funded by the United States Department of State. These grants cover tuition fee, required textbook, airfare, living stipend, and health insurance. For master's degree, eligible candidate will have either a four-year bachelor's degree or a bachelor's and master's combination totaling 16 years of formal education from accredited university. Recent graduates are strongly encouraged to apply except for MBA Public Policy Administration applicants who require 2 years of work experience. For PhD degree, eligible applicant will have a master's, MPhil or comparable degree, minimum of 18 years of education. It is highly desirable that candidates have work experience in teaching, research, or public sector in Pakistan. For both PhD and master program, all academic disciplines are eligible except clinical medicine. The graduate record examination (GRE) is required for all applicants. Under the new scoring system, a minimum score of 145 is required for each section of the GRE examination, with higher score on section most applicable to your field of study. Applicant must also possess a high level of fluency in spoken and written English. Okay, and all successful candidates are required to sign a contract of USEFP, and for successful PhD candidate, a bond with HEC that bids them to return to Pakistan immediately after their program in United States and serve the country for the number of years equivalent to the length of their scholarship program. For eligibility criteria, we can take a look at Pakistani citizen with strong academic histories residing throughout the process in Pakistan and committed to return and serve Pakistan are welcome to apply. All disciplines are eligible except clinical medicine. Eligible master's applicant will have 4 years of bachelor's degree. Applicant should be prepared to compare grant without accompanying dependents. Ineligibility: person with a dual US and Pakistan nationality, employer, contractor of Fulbright organization, people who have already availed one Fulbright award, person already studying in United States. How to apply? A complete application package includes application form, 3 reference letters, GRE score, scanned transcript including explainable of grading scale of university issuing the degree should be uploaded. Incomplete application will not be considered. An application with references and required supporting document must be submitted online. Please note that paper applications will not be accepted. So that was the Fulbright PhD and Master's program, and the deadline for that program is February 28, 2024. So all you need to do is, for important question, you can click here. You can take a look here about the important questions. And then you can click here, start application, continue. Here you can start the application. First you need to register and then log in and proceed towards your application. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.